we're showing 4 agentic AI workflows within this application. All of the devices that we have here are running Mimik mimOE, which is a runtime environment for agents, and it's a runtime environment for models as well too. Built inside of the mimOE is an API gateway, and with our API gateway, we provide a way to do discovery. What discovery means is that all of the devices that you see here are able to find each other, discover each other, and each device is able to consume the other's agents if need be. So going on to the application here, I have full access to 4 different AI workflows. In search, what I can do is I can set the time, and I can ask the system, I'm looking for a bike, and I'll send that off to the system. Now, on top of these compute devices that you see at the middle of the table, inside of our platform, we have an LLM, a VLM, and an SLM running all at the same time. Now, what happens is that the camera feeds get sent to these compute devices, where then the VLM processes what feed is or what is being shown in front of the camera, as well as we have an LLM after that running, where then since we're in the search mode, it's going to look for a context about a bike. It's going to see if a reference to a bike is made within the responses from the VLM based on what the camera sees. If that context or that reference is made, it will summarize it at the bottom using an SLM, which will tell me where that bike was seen. As we can see right now, since we see that the bike was seen on factory camera 2 or 1, it summarized that for at the bottom for me.